Welcome to another session in the Saga Tapestry Project, sponsored by the National Nordic Museum of the United States in Seattle, Washington. I am your host and instructor, Claudia Pétursson. If you are unfamiliar with this project, please refer to the introductory video titled The Saga Tapestry Project of Iceland. If you have not already purchased a kit to join us, please go to the National Nordic Museum online store shown in the link below. All right, let's get started. Eyeballs and circles, the French knot. In our project, we may need to fill in small circles or make eyeballs. You can see in the turtle dove kit that there are quite a few circles and eyeballs. Here we've done our outline stitch around this circle, leaving the center blank. We've anchored our thread and pulled it tight. Now we wind the thread tightly around the needle 3 times and place the point of the needle in the center of the circle. We pull through, keeping the wool wound as tightly as possible. And there we have the center of the circle made with a French knot. Please join us for our next video, Special Stitches, Hidden Anchor Stitches. Tapestry kits from the Saga Tapestry Center are available for purchase from the National Nordic Museum. Please visit the online store, and thank you so much for your support of this project.